all world stage, and all men and women are merely players. They have their own exits and entrances. People all over the world have same things to achieve. They want to be happy, to be secure, to be at least prosperous. They want to have peace of mind, good friends, good relationship with family. But thinking about all these experiences, I thought they could form fragments of different stories. Suddenly, while introspecting, one thought struck in my mind. How did storytelling started? Do you know how storytelling was originated? Do any of you know how storytelling was originated?
No.
Long time ago, when there was a comet, there was a fusion of two gametes in a comet, which is burning exhaustively. It just strikes the planet Earth. The earthly compounds, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and every other things, give birth to two living beings, two human beings, a male and a female. So they grow up together. They start telling their own experiences in form of stories to one another. The male becomes a great hunter and the female becomes very smart. So next, one night, when the male, the husband, goes out for hunting and gets the lion back to her wife to cook. When she gets it cooked, they sit around a fire and the husband starts telling stories. How fast he had gone and killed the lion and how it had jumped on him, but still he survived and he got it back. Finally, when the audience kept expanding, so did this art of storytelling. So this family was huge now. There were so many stories together. But there were very few role takers. So the hunters would come to these role takers and tell them to act out their stories. So soon this form of art came to be known as theatre. After some time, when this kept on evolving, there came huge screens of cinemas and the audience grew smaller, whereas the actors were bigger than usual. Similarly, Ralph C's Medley in the year 1922, month of October 22nd, started this Toastmaster Club. He wanted people to come back to this traditional form of telling stories. Soon, he started off his meeting in Santa Ana, California, in the basement of YMCA. He thought about how the stories could be told. He dreamt of people like Rajdeep Sir, who affect us by their inspiring stories and started off with the prepared speeches. He thought about people like Vijay Anand Sir, who is extremely good at table topics, and he's like, yeah, there should be something like table topics. So it was in play. Finally, the audience should never be left out. So he wanted to acknowledge each and everyone in the audience. So he started something called as evaluation, so that the audience love the speaker and give their opinion about the speeches. So it went on like that. So I would like to call upon the general evaluator for the day, who in his life has given the boost to many individuals, people like me who are lost. He gives that trigger, just like how Red Bull enhances your performance. He enhances your performance in life, career, and everything like that. He runs an academy for learning, for excellence. Give it up for this wonderful performance coach, neuro-linguistic programmer, Vinay Chauhan.